Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's talk about habits. Let's talk about habits for being emotionally hygienic. But let's not talk about big habits. Let's talk about micro habits, which are easy for you to start implementing on daily basis starting from today. So, I am Gurleen, I am a life coach, and I am here to share some micro habits with you for being more emotionally hygienic, for leading a better life, for being a better version of you. First, being mindful. It is so important that we are present in the moment. We are there while we are doing whatever it is that we are doing. Our mind and our body should be at the same place at the same time. For practicing mindfulness on daily basis, let's begin with a very small exercise that I can recommend. It's called starfish breathing. So you need to take your hand like this, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and breathe out. Doing this starfish method of breathing exercise every day, maybe just for 5 times, will be our first step towards being mindful. It is not going to make us very mindful, but it is the first step that we can take as a very small micro habit that we can instill in ourselves. Practice gratitude on daily basis. It is important that we sit back at the end of the day or maybe at the beginning of the day and think about at least 5 things we are very grateful for. And the best way to do this is to write it down. I am grateful for this because this. For example, I am grateful for my family because I get immense happiness being around them. They are my biggest support system, and so on and so forth. So, whenever you sit back to be grateful about things in life, make sure there is a because that enhances the feeling of gratitude and makes our energies more better. Third, set boundaries. This is something we need on daily basis for all the decisions we make. It is good to know what is it that we want and what is it that we do not want. What is it that is resonating with me right now and what is it that is not. So I should be able to say no. It is the most important word these days, because a lot of time, just because we want to be a part of the community, just because we want to be a part of the whole situation in a project, and because I want to be more friends with you, I want to people please, I will say yes for a lot of things I do not want to say yes to. So it is good to know your boundaries. It is good to use the word no when we are not in the frame of doing that particular thing or taking up a particular task. Practice self-care. Now, this is each to your own definition, whatever self care means to you. If self care means to you just having a chill, relaxed day at home, if self care means for you binge watching a show, if self care means for you putting up things on your face and just, working on your body, if self care means for you just working out, whatever it is that self care means for you, do that on daily basis. Small habits work fine. Consistency is the key. The whole point is that we should be able to do it on daily basis. So we do not need to have big goals and then procrastinate on them. Instead, let's start with small micro habits and micro steps which we can follow on daily basis. Limit your screen time. I know screen time is important. I know it is good to stay connected to the world. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all these have become a part of our lives, and it is good to be connected through them. But again, there has to be a boundary, there has to be a time that you give yourself for all of this, because the kind of radiations and all the other reasons that you're bombarding your mind with all these kind of informations that is available, it is good to have a limited screen time. It is good to give yourselves a break from the screen and just let yourself out in the nature. Just go for a walk, or maybe just sit back and watch the trees around, or whatever it is that again resonates with you. I really need to share this with you that being emotionally hygienic is a very personal thing. It's a very each to your own thing. The whole process starts with you discovering yourself, with you introspecting yourself and understanding what is it that works for you. We need to make an emotional first aid kit wherein we have here, you cannot have one dolo or a crucin working for everybody for a fever. No, that is not possible in case of an emotional first aid kit, because this is each to your own. So whatever works for you might not work for me, might not work for my other people around us. So we need to understand that we need to first know ourselves, introspect, discover ourselves and our likings and dislikings, and then boil down to making an emotional first aid box for ourselves. Connect with others. It is good, it is important to have people around you, have good people around you, make connections with people around you, have better relationships with people around you, because a lot of times something that is so big in our minds can become nothing once we share it with somebody. Just the fact that you have people around you and you're able to share it with them and feel good, feel at ease, feel relaxed is a big blessing in life. Practice self compassion. Be kind to yourself. This is so important. It's a habit we are developing, so maybe on daily basis, let's get into the habit of doing something kind for ourselves. It could be just a set of kind words that you say to yourself, just the way just show love to yourself. Even if something goes wrong, you've said something you shouldn't have, you've done something you shouldn't have, be there for yourself. It's a mistake, accept it, fine, but that doesn't mean you have to dwell on it and keep thinking about it and cursing yourself for it and being angry with yourself. Forgive yourself and be very kind to yourself, be very compassionate with yourself. So I hope you pick up these micro habits and start inculcating them in your daily lives. I wish you all the luck, and I'm there for you as your accountability partner, just there to help you develop these habits and become a better version of yourself. Thank you. If you like my video, hit the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you.